Find or read reviews that people are talking of Kidoz Tablet, White Tiger 7-inch Android tablet for kids, 32GB ROM. The recommended that you do not buy unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. White Tiger Kidoz Tablet, perfect for kids to learn independently. Kids are safe to play in the kid-appropriate internet environment. They can access websites that include all coloring, dress-up, educational apps, online games. Download even more like YouTube Kids from Google Play. White Tiger automatically determines which of the games, books, apps are appropriate for your child. Can use Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp and other social software, online chat, interact with friends, enhance children's social skills. It's a great birthday, Christmas, and New Year gift for kids 2 to 16. And it provides endless online age-appropriate contents, ensure safe engagement when you are busy working. We are sure this WiFi Android tablet will be your kids' good learning partner at home. Thanks for watching. Emphasize once more. If you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button. And all the links to everything we mention in this video, you can find linked in the description box below.